Welcome to Premium Financial. Today I am to show how to create Netspend bank. So open browser and search Netspend bank sign up. See, here is lot of sign up page and sponsor page. So I need to find out who is on official page. So I want to open this page. My network issue, that's why it's still loading. See, the page is open. Now click sign up page. Sign up now. I need a mail. Put the mail and get started. Now you need first name. So copy first name and paste here. Then last name. You need current address of social security number. See, the colony of Texas. Select a card. I am select pink card and submit. Still loading. My network is little bit slow, that's why. So if you need anything from me, join my Telegram channel and my personal channel. It's loading. If you need casino support, join me. Now you need a phone number. I am using Daisy SMS for OTP. Search Netspend. Rent. Copy the number and put it here. Confirm the number. Now you need 6-digit OTP. Copy OTP and again paste here. Next. Now create an user ID and then you need to create password at least 8 character long. Then next. Again loading. Never. Perfect. Let's make sure it's me. Must type the date of birth and social security number. Click agree and continue. If your social security number fresh, it's maybe working. See, account created and see also virtual card also show. Not now. Click. So if you like this video, then don't forget to share my channel and join my Telegram channel for all kind of update. Click debit account. See, physical card and virtual card. You can create 25 plus card and you can active at a time 6 card. So click move and see lot of features in this account. If you need more creation video, then comment below.